Stay strong, stay independent. Join me today for 3 simple leg exercises that keep your legs active and your body moving even after 60. Exercise 1, chair sit to stand. Sit comfortably on your chair, keeping your feet flat on the floor and your back straight. Place your hands on your thighs or beside you for support. We are going to start chair sit to stand together. Slowly stand up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Great job. How are you feeling so far? Are your legs feeling the movement? Share in the comments which country you are watching from. Remember to share this video with a senior friend so they can exercise with you and stay active today. Exercise 2, heel raises. Standing. Stand behind your chair, lightly holding it for balance. Make sure your feet are flat and your posture is straight. We are going to begin heel raises together. Rise slowly onto your toes, then lower back down. Let us count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Excellent work. Are you feeling any tightness in your calves? That is normal. Keep going. Tag a friend who needs to strengthen their legs so they can join you. Ladies, exercise is powerful, but if you truly want to feel lighter, younger, and more confident in your own skin, you need more than movement alone. Nagano Tonic gives your body the natural boost it's been missing. It fires up your metabolism, melts stubborn fat, increases energy, and helps you feel vibrant again. Thousands of women your age are seeing real results faster with this tonic. Link in the description. Don't miss your chance to transform your health. Exercise 3, seated leg extension. Sit upright in your chair, hands on the sides for support, keeping your back straight and feet flat on the floor. We are going to begin seated leg extensions together. Lift one leg straight out in front of you, hold for a moment, then slowly lower it down. Let us count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Excellent. Feeling your thighs working? It is okay if it feels challenging. Consistency is the key. Share this video with 5 to 7 friends to motivate each other every day. Well done! If you finished all 3 exercises today, type "Done Day 61" in the comments. Share this video with your senior friends so they can exercise and benefit too.